ladies and gentlemen,
And welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making a very interesting topic. Today we are going to be making a DIY battery using salt. Yeah, I know it's belong, you haven't seen my face, but that is what we're going to be doing today. A DIY battery using salt water. I know it's very complicated, but I'm going to be explaining how it works and every down detail which you need to know when you want to interface with this kind of project. Do what's stated ending of this video to get greater insights. I'm Success Promise by name, and let's go to the video, chat.
yep, as I said in the intro of this video, we're going to be creating a saltwater battery. This is actually a chemistry practical, do all to stay to the end, and let's dive in. Now, to make a saltwater battery, the materials which are actually needed is actually the salt water, the copper, and the zinc. The copper and the zinc is the two electrodes which we are going to be using in this video to create the saltwater battery. The copper is going to serve as our positive, while the zinc is going to serve as our negative electrodes. Also in this video, I'm going to be diving how this process actually works, how the chemistry actually works, and you're going to get the full great insight on how you can build your own saltwater battery and also understand the concept on how this circuit actually works. First off, we are going to be taking an empty cup which it looks like this. Yeah, an empty cup which actually looks like this, and we are going to be filling water into it. But first off, we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of salt into the cup, then we are going to be filling it with water. But wait a second, first off, we are also going to be placing the 2 electrodes which I actually said in the intro of this video to place into the cup side by side, which is going to form the battery. Then we are done. We have our battery. This is very simple to create, and I hope you really got what I'm actually talking about. Testing the voltage of this saltwater battery, we got about 0.8 millivolt, which is unable to turn on a LED. So in this case, we are going to be creating 2-cell saltwater battery to see if we can actually generate electricity to power some kind of LED and also some kind of cool stuff. Alright, the 2 cells are presented perfectly and nice. We are going to be connecting these 2 cells in series so that we can be able to join the 2 voltage. If you really don't understand how to connect series and parallel connections, check out the video up there. I explained how series and parallel connections are done. But anyways, we are going to be connecting these 2 saltwater batteries in series to join the voltage so that we can be able to at least power a LED. Now everything is done, let's test it out. But wait a second, do you really know how this actually works? That is what we're going to be doing today, so let's go and explain that. Now here is how it works. When you add salt into a fresh water, it creates solutions full of charged ions. Yeah, it actually creates a solution full of charged ions when you add a salt into a fresh water. Now this is where the 2 solutions are being placed. Now think of the copper being positive and think of the zinc being negative. When these 2 electrodes are placed into this solution, the zinc actually give out electrons becoming positively charged, while the copper actually receive these electrons changing into a metallic copper. This electron flow creates electricity, and we have electricity at the 2 terminals of the electrode. This is actually basically how it works. If you really don't understand it, let me know in the comment section and I'll explain it more for you. So this movement of electrons is actually what creates the electricity which we have at the output of our saltwater battery. We have come to the final aspect of testing it out. Let's test out with this 1.5 LED and let's see if we can be able to turn it on even a little bit. I would be really appreciated. Let's test it out in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my god, we got an output, and yeah, the light actually turns on, but it's not actually really bright. But anyways, we got electricity out of this saltwater battery. Our saltwater battery was a success, and I really got a little fun in this project. It's actually a chemistry project. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and support me on Patreon for more interesting videos like this. I really appreciate you. I know this video is a kind of short video, but anyways, plan on ahead on a great video, long video, so do all to stay tuned to that. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.